We're going to keep this very simple. So to block a contact and to find out if they're blocked, send them a text message. Normally we go iMessage, hey. Now, if you notice, the other one says delivered exactly right away. It will take its time and then it will go into text message mode, thinking that I got the message. Because it should say delivered just like the past one, right? So that's how you know if somebody's blocked you and they had an iOS device also, because you'd be sitting here going, or they're off Wi-Fi, that could be, but if we're in contact with somebody and all of a sudden now you're into this by clicking on it and sending it as a text message, and I still haven't got it on my phone, then you know once it goes to the green that they have you blocked at least on your phone or their phone. So now I can unblock and I could say hey and simply delivered. So that's how you know if it goes to text message. They could be off Wi-Fi, but if they're consistent contacts with you, you should know delivered. And once they're sent by text, you're blocked by that person. If you go right to their voicemail, you're blocked.